Sir Michael Philip Jagger is an English singer, songwriter, actor, and film producer who gained worldwide fame as the lead singer and one of the founder members of the Rolling Stones. Jagger's career has spanned over 5 decades, and he has been described as one of the most popular and influential frontmen in the history of rock and roll. His distinctive voice and energetic live performances, along with Keith Richards' guitar style, have been the trademark of the Rolling Stones throughout the band's career. Jagger gained press notoriety for his romantic involvements and was often portrayed as a countercultural figure. Jagger was born and grew up in Dartford, Kent. He studied at the London School of Economics before abandoning his academic career to join the Rolling Stones. Jagger has written most of the Rolling Stones songs together with Richards, and they continue to collaborate musically. In the late 1960s, Jagger began acting in films to a mixed reception. He began a solo career in 1985, releasing his first album, She's the Boss, and joined the electric supergroup Super Heavy in 2009. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.